Ever wondered, when you're crafting that perfect logo or setting up your shiny new LLC with Tailor Brands, where exactly is all this magic happening? Are they tucked away in a tech hub, a bustling metropolis, or somewhere completely unexpected? It's a question that often pops up, not just out of curiosity, but also when you're thinking about support, time zones, or even the global reach of a company. Understanding a company's physical footprint can tell you a lot about its operations, its philosophy, and how it serves its worldwide user base. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tailor Brands, a name synonymous with empowering entrepreneurs and simplifying the often complex journey of business creation. From AI-powered logo design to LLC formation, website building, and even trademark registration, Tailor Brands aims to be a one-stop shop for aspiring business owners. But behind the digital convenience, there's a physical presence, a network of offices and teams that make it all happen. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the geographical heart of Tailor Brands. When you first hear Tailor Brands, you might immediately think of Silicon Valley or a major American tech city. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong in assuming a strong presence in the U.S. Tailor Brands does indeed have significant operations and a key corporate office located in New York City. Specifically, their U.S. headquarters can be found in New Hyde Park, New York. This is a central hub for their American operations, serving as a base for many of their teams, including customer support, sales, and various administrative functions. New York, with its vibrant business ecosystem and accessibility, provides an excellent strategic location for a company that caters to small businesses and entrepreneurs across the United States. However, the story of Tailor Brands' location is more global than just one city. The company's roots and what many consider its founding location and primary research and development center are actually in Tel Aviv, Israel. This might come as a surprise to some, but Israel has long been a hotbed for tech innovation and startups, often dubbed Silicon Wadi. Tailor Brands was founded in 2014 by Yali Sar, Tom Laha, and Nadav Schatz in Tel Aviv. This is where a significant portion of their technical talent, AI development, and core product innovation takes place. The Tel Aviv office is crucial for driving the technological advancements that power Tailor Brands' intuitive platform, from their famous AI logo maker to their sophisticated business building tools. So, you have a strong presence in the United States, particularly New York, handling many client-facing and operational aspects, and the innovation engine humming in Tel Aviv. This dual location strategy allows Tailor Brands to leverage the unique strengths of both regions. The U.S. presence helps them stay closely connected to the vast American market, which is a significant portion of their user base. The Israeli team, on the other hand, benefits from a dynamic startup culture, a deep pool of technical expertise, and a focus on cutting-edge AI and software development. Now, you might be thinking, are there other locations? While New York and Tel Aviv are the primary hubs, a company of Tailor Brands' size and global reach often has a distributed workforce or smaller satellite offices, particularly for specialized teams or to support regional markets. It's common for tech companies to embrace remote work, especially in the post-pandemic era, allowing them to tap into talent pools beyond their physical office locations. While official addresses for smaller satellite offices aren't as widely publicized as their main headquarters, the core operational and innovative powerhouses remain firmly in New York and Tel Aviv. It's important to differentiate Tailor Brands from Tailor Brands, which is a completely separate company in the men's apparel retail industry, headquartered in Houston, Texas. This can sometimes cause confusion, so it's always good to be specific when searching for information. Our focus here is on Tailor Brands, the business building platform. The strategic placement of Tailor Brands offices speaks volumes about their business model. By having their R&D in a highly innovative tech ecosystem like Tel Aviv, they can continuously push the boundaries of what their AI-powered platform can do. This translates into more intelligent tools, more personalized experiences, and a more streamlined journey for entrepreneurs. Their presence in New York allows them to be close to one of the world's largest business markets, fostering strong relationships with clients and partners, and ensuring they can provide effective support within relevant time zones for their American users. Beyond the physical addresses, it's worth considering the philosophy that underpins Tailor Brands' operations. They aim to simplify complex business processes, making entrepreneurship accessible to everyone. This mission is reflected in their global approach, building a platform that transcends geographical boundaries and serves a diverse range of users, from a freelancer in London needing a logo to a small business owner in Lagos setting up an LLC. The combination of their innovative tech hub and their strong market-facing presence allows them to deliver on this promise. Think about it. An aspiring entrepreneur in any corner of the world can access Tailor Brands services online. The website, the AI tools, the customer support, they are all designed to be universally accessible and user-friendly. While the physical offices are crucial for the company's internal operations and development, the true location of Tailor Brands, in a sense, is wherever an entrepreneur needs their services. It's in the cloud, on your screen, ready to help you build your dream. So, whether you're wondering about their origin story, their tech prowess, or simply where to send them a letter, remember this. Tailor Brands' primary operational headquarters are in New York City, USA, and their innovation and R&D hub is in Tel Aviv, Israel. This dual-continent approach allows them to combine cutting-edge technology with a strong market presence, ultimately serving millions of entrepreneurs worldwide. It's a testament to how modern, digital-first companies can have a global footprint with strategically placed physical anchors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.